Okay, in this video, I want to show you about the measure tool versus the dimensioning tool. Dimensioning, which would be this icon on the Modify tab, would be this icon right here, and it applies an actual dimension to the object that stays in the model. And we'll get into that in the future. Right now, we're going to talk about measure. And so it's here on the Modify tab. It's up here in your Quick Access toolbar also. If it's not showing up, you can click the little pull down arrow there and make sure it's turned on. Okay, so either one works. So we'll go measure before I start it. On the pull down, there's two choices: measure between two references or measure along an element. And I'm going to show you both. So we'll go measure between two references. And let's go inside face of wall to inside face of wall there. Okay, so it's 4 foot 4 inches. And you see it's there, it's in blue, it's listed up here, total length. And it will stay there until I enter another Revit command. Okay, so I could go ahead and check another wall. Okay, 9 foot 4. Okay, now if I want to do measure along an element, and I just pick this wall, it will tell me the total length of that wall. All right, so let's do that again with, okay. Oh. Okay, so it wouldn't pick the whole thing there because it's going in segments. One thing, let's look at this measure between references. If I do chain, now I can, and let's go center to center to center. And you can see it tells me the distance between all three of those, and it gives me a total overall length based on wherever my cursor is at the time. Okay. Once more though, especially if you're doing, well, anything that you're measuring, if you don't get clicked, constrained vertically or horizontally, you're going to get a skewed reading because you can see at that angle there. If I were to do the chain, you can see it measures wherever I clicked at as opposed to the very end point. So when you're using the measure tool, you got to be sure where you're clicking. Okay, there it is. Pretty simple, right?